The 2 Tyres Guide to the Michelin Anakee Adventure. Michelin's Anakee Adventure is a road-focused tyre for adventure bike riders. It's designed to keep the knobbly looks that adventure bikers like, but its real focus is on the road, rather than off-road. It's capable on light trails, and is good in the wet on both tarmac and trails, but this is not a tyre for heavy off-road use. The rounded tread blocks mean this tyre has predictable handling at all angles of lean. Some tyres with tread blocks can be noisy vibrate, but the Anakee Adventure runs quiet and comfortable. The wide range of fitments mean you can fit these to 250cc trail bikes right up to big adventure tourers like the Multistrada or GS. Their fast warm-up makes them a good choice if you're commuting on your ADV. The next step up in terms of off-road potential is the Anakee Mild, but this is an extreme tyre and quite different to the Adventure. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.